Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. So, this is Kristen's 325,000 mile Tahoe that she refuses to get rid of. So, she called me the other day and said, "Hey, this thing's got a rattling noise on startup." And I'm like, "Oh, great. It's time for an engine or something." So, I got online, did a little research after I heard the noise. There was one of two things. It was like a tingling noise when the engine was running. It sounded like it was down low in the oil pan transmission area. So it was one of two things. It was either a stress crack or a cracked or broken flex plate in front of the torque converter, or it could be possibly the starter. And so I pulled the inspection plate off. I couldn't see any broken bolts or any damage to the flex plate. So my next course of action to try to diagnose it, just because I enjoy working on my truck if I can. If it's nice weather and it's something simple, and I got basic hand tools, so nothing crazy. But I pulled the inner fender liner out, pulled the wheel, jacked it up, disconnected the battery, pulled the starter, and because the truck is sitting on the incline and the vehicle is running, once the starter engages, the gear retracts back. Well, when there's something internally broken, that right there can happen. And so what's happening is this little gear was sliding into the flex plate, causing it to make a tingling, metallic-y noise. So here we are on Mother's Day. I'm getting ready to go to work, but on the way to work, I am going to stop by and get me a new starter so that I can come home this evening and swap that out. And it only has 325,000 miles on that starter, and I've never done this job before, but I figured, what the heck, might as well. So happy Mother's Day to you guys. Take care.